Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with another try-on haul featuring Target. Okay, so I recently have been seeing everywhere Target's fashions popping off. I don't know if my Targets just don't carry the things. And I just find Target's like online modeling to be horrific, so I have to get it, order it, try it, and see what I think. So I wanted to do a little haul of things that I recently picked up. There's an Americana theme behind this, some of the pieces, but I got some really awesome pieces and some pieces that just kind of missed the market, so I would like to tell you guys to avoid if you were on the hunt for anything. So without further ado, let's jump in. First, this cutie little headband. I love this. I love a good headband when I'm just having a hair day. I don't feel like my hair being in my face. I actually hate my hair in my face, so when you guys comment you touch your hair too much, I know. It's because I hate it. I hate hair in my face. So I love a headband when I'm just feeling like sensory overload. I don't want any hair in my face. And this one was really cute and really affordable. I like the little knot, and this is just gonna be cute with a basic outfit. White t-shirt, white dress, navy, anything. I feel like this will just complement, and I'm excited to wear that all season long. And I mean, for many years to come. I think that's just a classic. This piece I am literally over the moon about, but I'm thinking I might want to try it in a size medium. So I'm gonna see if my store does have this piece at a further away at the Palatine location. I feel like the Palatine location has like a little bit more of a selection. This is from the brand A New Day. I love this. I feel like sweater tanks are very in right now, and this one's like 25 bucks, I want to say. $22. You cannot beat that. I just find like I hate puckering at the breast area, so if I'm like in between sizes I tend to just size up. So I got this in a small, mostly because the model said she was wearing an extra small, and I was like, oh well, that looks like it fits her, so I got a small, but I would say I need a medium just for the boob area. Like I can make it work, but I'd rather just have it fit, like not puckering around that area, if that makes sense. That's just a personal preference. And I know I can always wear a bralette with it if I don't want that. Like I don't have to wear like a full-on bra, but I love this. I love this so much. I feel like I don't have a ton of red in my wardrobe, and I just loved the little sweater vest of this. I think this is so cute and can be dressed up with jeans for like a night out, and can be worn with just a simple pair of denim shorts, which I showed it in here for like just a quick daytime outfit. I love the heck out of this. I'm gonna look and see if they have that in a medium when I go to my Pilates class in Palatine on Tuesday. Next piece is a very Americana thing. I feel like everybody owns a sweater like this, and I feel like it can be really chuggy, or it can be really cringe, whatever you want to call it, but it can also be really cute, and I think it's cute if it's super oversized. So this one is from the Wild Fable line, which I believe is their more like teenage kind of line. I really like this a lot. It's a woven in American flag. It's kind of like an off-white creamy kind of sweater. This just looks good anytime in the summer with a pair of like denim shorts, white linen pants, anything like that. It's just perfect. Throw it over the shoulder to kind of have a little Americana, but not like in your face. Perfect to throw over a swimsuit in the cooler evening. I love this. I think this is perfect. Lightweight, not too heavy by any means, and just looks classic and simple. So I love that. The stars are like stitched in, and the red, white, and blue is like part of the sweater material, so you can see it's like actually sewn in. So really nice quality, but still lightweight and breathable. So happy that I have that in my collection, and I think it's just something that I'll pull out like every summer and utilize a lot. Okay, next up are these shorts that I saw in the model, and I was like, oh, I don't know. I'm obsessed with these, you guys. I love them. They're just so good. These are the mid-rise shorts. They are they're a size 4. I got a size 4 in these. I'm anywhere between like a 2 to a 4 to like, it just depends. But I got these in a 4, and these are a 9-inch inseam, and they're rigid. They're like not stretchy denim, which I look for in shorts, especially like shorts that can run on the cheaper end and don't have like the best fit. I feel like if you get true denim, like a raw denim, rigid denim, whatever, it's going to be awesome. I love the length of these. These are perfect. They're kind of like that Bermuda jort length at that 9 inches, but these are perfection. Obsessed. Totally keeping these. Love these. They come in other colors as well. And these are from their Wild Fable line as well, I guess. Yes, Wild Fable as well. These are a mid-rise short, and I'm obsessed with those. These I thought were really fun. The boxer trend is very in right now. I kept the tag on these because I think I'm going to try these in a size medium. It's not that the small doesn't fit. I just would like it to be maybe a little bit looser. I loved the detail of these. I love the green. These are so lightweight. They're so thin. They almost feel like borderline cheap, I'm not going to lie. But they're perfect for those summers where you just want something lightweight and easy. And I love the little detail of this on the side. It says Malibu Tennis Club. I just think it's really cute. Throw it on with a t-shirt, throw it on with this little like denim striped or denim button up, just throw and go, super casual, but you look kind of put together and they're kind of cute. And I like that they have that like patch on them so they don't look too boxery, but I'm obsessed with these. I do want to see if they have these though in a medium, but if not, I will keep the small anyways because I love them. Okay, let's move into dresses, and I do have one skirt. I don't know how I feel about this skirt. I like it, but I don't know if I love it. I wish that the off-white stripe was actually white because then I could wear it with white pieces. I feel like it looks kind of weird with white since it is a cream. But I like the shape of this a lot. I ended up having to get it in an extra small because they did not have a small left. I like that it has pockets. I love the fit and flare, how it's kind of like high-waisted but has like a good flare to it. I love the pattern of the stripes. I think it's really pretty, but I just don't think I like this color combination with the tan because I feel like it limits what I can wear with it. Ooh, but I do have a tan vest that it would look cute with. I don't know. I don't think I like it enough to keep it, but it is a cute piece. And if you have something like off-white creamy like that, then it would be cute. I just feel like it would limit me too much on what I can pair with it, so it's a no for me. Okay, if you guys watched my I think it was an outfits video, summer outfits, whatever, that I did specifically around dresses. I'll throw it up in the cards if you haven't seen it. But there was an Abercrombie dress in there that I feel like is just a tiny bit too tiny on me. I don't know. I'm still on the fence, but I wanted to just grab this and see. I love this so much. Okay, so it's basically like a vest dress. If you do not have anything like this, run, freaking run. I think this was $35. Insane. This is more of like a linen-y material, but it's not linen. I'm curious to know what it is though. Cotton rayon, and the inside is polyester. Okay, I love the look of this though, and the brown buttons. My dress has white buttons, I believe, and I feel like it's just a tiny bit tiny. So I might keep this and sell the other one, but I haven't decided. But I also think they're different enough that I could get away with both. Do I need both? I don't know. I'm going to try them both on and kind of see, but I love this dress so much. The one thing I will say is they have pockets inside. This is a real pocket. You just have to unstitch it. I need to unstitch this other pocket because the pocket's all kind of like twisted up inside, but it is lined. It is beautiful. They have it in black as well. I think the black is sold out, but I love this dress. It's such a classic fit, and I honestly think I like this over my Abercrombie one. And if that's the case, I'll sell my Abercrombie one, but I do really love that dress. And if you have been on the hunt for a good dress that's similar to the Abercrombie, I think it's their Mara one, check that one out. It's such a good deal for basically the exact same thing. Obsessed. And it has really good fitting and everything. I think I got that just in the size small. This I don't think I love. I like, but I don't love. Okay, so I want more pink in my wardrobe. I just don't have that much pink. And whenever I see a t-shirt dress, I love a good button-up, like long sleeve dress, not a t-shirt. I feel like the tie front is really throwing me. It's kind of a wrap, but I feel like it should wrap all the way around and not just tie in the front. I don't know. It's just leaving something to be desired. I don't know how I feel about it, but I don't think I love it. So for that reason, I'm gonna send it back. But it is cute. I just don't, I'm not in love with it. Yeah, nonetheless. Okay, next dress, flop. Flop, flop, flop. Thought it would be so cute. I did recently just get a linen white little dress from Quince, which I will throw up my recent Quince haul. Such good stuff that I recently got. This I thought would be really cute as well. I think I ordered them around the same time, or no, I ordered that one a while ago. First of all, this stitching is horrible, but I just thought this would be cute. It's a little bit different of a vibe. Really trying to get into my dress era, and since the fact that we're moving to Texas, I figured I'm gonna wear dresses a lot more, so I wanted to find some that I really loved. And yeah, the stitching on this is terrible, but this is kind of a linen-esque material, and I loved the flare at the bottom. It's got more of like an A-line, kind of skater dress kind of vibe. The boob situation is like, what? Like, I feel like they needed some boning to keep that up on the side because it just kind of flops. You could tape it if you really were in a pinch, like fashion double side tape, but it's like not worth it. It was a really good price. I love the low back. This one was $30, but honestly, for the thought of it, I'd rather just get the quince one. I like the details of the quince one. I like the quince one is 100% linen. This also does not have pockets, which it needs pockets. My quince one has pockets. I like the low back, but everything else, no. Save your money on that one. It's just such a weird, like, neckline, and they could have avoided that. This one, though, I am keeping. I do not have a black flowy tank maxi dress, and I think this is so cute and honestly really nice. I like the like flowiness and lightness in the material. Again, the material is like okay. Honestly, it's giving cheap, but it doesn't look cheap, and it feels lightweight enough that I could wear it in the summertime and not be boiling, okay? Because you're like long dress black in Texas, absolutely not. But I feel like this is breezy enough that it would be okay. Neckline on this is really good. The back is like slightly low, but it has like this tie which helps keep that area like nice and snug and fitted. Love this. Could wear this without a bra, and I think this would just be cute to throw on with a pair of flip-flops and you'd be good to go. Even for like a date night, I feel like this would be cute in Texas. So yeah, that was totally a hit. So a couple of complete flops, like I said, but a lot of really good stuff. So if it's been a minute since you've checked out Target and your Target in stores, like I always browse. I always go through the kids section, shoes, and the women's section. I even go through the maternity because I don't know, I'm always curious to see what they have. But I feel like my store never has anything in store, and I just hopped over online, and I'm pretty sure they were having a clothing sale when I bought this stuff as well. But yeah, found some really cute pieces. They also have super cute shoes. I just feel like I have such similar vibes to them that I don't need to add more shoes into my wardrobe right now. We'll see later in life, but yeah, I think I found some really good pieces. So from the collection of the haul, I want to see if they have these in the medium, this in a medium. If not, I'm keeping both of them regardless. This, I'm keeping the black dress. We are returning the little white tank dress, the little pink striped thing. Oh, what else? We are keeping this dress, the white little vest dress. I'm pretty sure I want to try it on a couple more times to see against the other one. Returning this little skirt, keeping this little Americana flag sweater, and keeping the denim shorts and the headband. So overall, I would say like 50-50. I think I kept more than I'm returning, but really good stuff. And all of this haul was like under $200. Really good stuff for a really affordable price. So I will have all the details and the exact items and sizing that I purchased down below, as well as on the YouTube shop button if you prefer to shop through that. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful. If there's any other specific brands you'd like to see rundowns of, what's keeping, what I'm returning, all of that, let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon.